Hello everyone, I'm John. Today, I will tell you about my routine. I'll tell you about my routine. First, I wake up. I wake up. I wake up at 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock, I wake up. Next, at 8:30, I drink coffee. I drink coffee. At 8 o'clock, I wake up. At 8:30, I drink coffee. I like hot coffee. Hot black coffee. At 8:30, I drink hot black coffee. Next. At 9 o'clock, what do I do? At 9 o'clock, I take a shower. At 9 o'clock, I take a shower. That's right. I take a shower in the morning. I don't take a shower at night. I take a shower at 9 o'clock. Next. At 9:30, I go to work. I go to work at 9:30. I am an English teacher and I work in an English school. I go to work at 9:30. So, at 8 o'clock, I wake up. At 8:30, I drink coffee. I like hot black coffee. At 9 o'clock, I take a shower. And at 9:30, I go to work. That's my morning routine. I wake up, I drink coffee, I take a shower, and I go to work. That's the morning. Okay. Then, at 6 o'clock, at 6 p.m., I come home. At 9:30 in the morning, I go to work. And at 6 o'clock in the evening, I come home. At 6:30, I'm hungry. I'm very hungry. So, I eat dinner. I eat dinner at 6:30. At 6 p.m., I come home. At 6:30, I eat dinner. Then, at 7 p.m., what do I do? At 7 p.m., I play with my kids. I play with my kids. I have 2 kids, 1 son and 1 daughter. This is me. This is my wife. And my son and my daughter. My son and my daughter are my kids. So, at 6 p.m., I come home. At 6:30, I eat dinner. At 7 p.m., I play with my kids. Then, at 8 p.m., I get ready for bed. I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I help my son and I help my daughter. Then, not then, I help my daughter. We get ready for bed together. Then, at 8:30, I put my kids to bed. I put my kids to bed. We go to bed together. Sometimes we read a book. Sometimes we tell a story. And sometimes we talk. Usually about 9:30, my kids sleep. 9:30. It takes a long time. Usually at 9:30 they are asleep. Sometimes I fall asleep too. So let's check. 6 p.m. I come home. 6:30 I eat dinner. 7 p.m. I play with my kids. 8 p.m. I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. 8:30 I put my kids to bed. We read a book or tell a story. And 9:30 my kids sleep. And sometimes me too. If I don't sleep at 9:30, usually I sleep at 10:30. I look at my phone, or I read a book, or I watch YouTube. Then I sleep at 10:30. So let's review everything, okay? At 8 o'clock in the morning, I wake up. 8:30, I drink coffee. I like hot black coffee. At 9 o'clock, I take a shower. 9:30, I go to work. At 6 p.m., I come home. At 6:30, I eat dinner. At 7 p.m., I play with my kids. At 8 p.m., I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, I wash my face. At 8:30, I put my kids to bed. We read a story, or we read a book, or we tell a story. About 9:30, my kids sleep, and 10:30, I sleep. That's my routine. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.